Hi, I'm Cassandra and welcome to Bookworm Delectables. Today we'll be making a milkshake in honor of Charlie in The Perks of Being a Wallflower by Stephen Chbosky. Isn't it lovely? Don't you just want a milkshake after you've eaten a marijuana brownie? Aren't you dying of thirst? Let's get started making that very simple chocolate milkshake. For our simple chocolate milkshake, we will need 4 scoops vanilla ice cream. I'm going for a pint. I think that'll suffice. 4 tablespoons chocolate syrup. I'm using special dark chocolate. It's only the best for you. 1.5 cups milk. I'm using almond milk. And to bring out more flavor, well, you need 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Can't have a milkshake without a blender, so I have my blender. A little old, but still works. Let's see. Open up the vanilla ice cream. Maybe we should sample. Yeah, it tastes good. Always do enjoy Ben & Jerry's. Into the blender. Okay, so the ice cream has been added. Actually, there's a little bit more left here. Add the chocolate syrup. The vanilla extract. And the milk. So here's a look inside the blender of the chocolate milkshake. I can't wait to dive in. So here's the chocolate milkshake we made. It looks good. Smells good. Smells really chocolatey. Tastes a little. If you like the recipe and would like to see more like this, please like below. You'll find the recipe in the description box below. Thanks to The Perks of Being a Wallflower by Stephen Chbosky. I believe I'm saying his name right. We had this lovely chocolate milkshake. Maybe I should try making the marijuana brownie. Tell me what you'd like to see me make in the comments below, or let me know on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. I'd love to hear your comments. Always love to hear from my followers. Hope you enjoyed the show. Now it's definitely time to drink. It's good. Thanks for watching. Bye.